Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see from the sign in back of me, I am at Rite Aid and I am here to do a couple of deals. Guys, we are going to do the deal spend $50, get $15 in bonus cash. Yay, they lowered it back down to $50. That $60 was killing me. I was having a hard time putting some scenarios together, but $50 is a little easier to hit. So we're going to go ahead with that. And then I'm going to also use a coupon that I got in the mail, a booster where you spend $55, you get another $11 off. So I'm actually going to get my total to $55 instead of $50. So guys, the reason why I'm filming here in the back of the store because the music is blasting in the front of the store, and I just don't want to get my video dinged or anything from YouTube. So I just put everything in my cart and brought it to the back so we can go over it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and then hit the bell next to it. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any deals. And let your friends and family know what we're doing over here on the channel because we're really making it happen. That Nicole is making it happen. I'm just watching the kids jump around and things. It's crazy in here right now. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Get your inserts out because you're going to need a couple of insert coupons. Make sure you have Ibotta downloaded because we're going to get some rebates from Ibotta. And then we're going to submit our receipts also to Fetch. So guys, let's get ready to see. Okay guys, so you know I always tell you when you go in the store, please check your clearance section. You just never know what's going to be on clearance. And as you know, you can use paper coupons, you can use manufacturer coupons on clearance items. And 9 times out of 10, that'll make the item free or really, really cheap. And then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta and Fetch, and you still are able to get your money back from those, even though it's on clearance. So I found this Moderna on clearance. It's Moderna for kids, and it's marked $6.24. Let me get you the UPC for it. So here's the SKU. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry. Okay, here's the SKU for it. So it is $6.24. I have this $5 off coupon. It is expired, but it's okay because it's expired on the paper. But if you scan this coupon into QSare, it says it's not expired. Moderna does not expire. So I'm going to use that $5 coupon on that. So then that means I'm going to pay $1.24 for. Now, there were some Ibotta rebates, but I guess mine expired. But I'm going to hold on to my receipt because they just may pop up again. And if so, I can still submit my receipt if it's within the 7 days of the date that I purchased that. So that's the first thing that I'm going to add to my my purchase to get to my $55, which I'm only doing $55 because of my booster, remember. And getting things off of clearance is a good way to add some filler things to your purchases. So these Compeed were also on clearance, and they are marked down to $2.49. Let me get you the UPC for that. Here you go. Okay, now I got 2 of them, and I'm going to use 2 of these manufacturer coupons for $4 off. Yes, they are expired, but Compeed is another coupon that does not expire. So actually, since they're $2.49, I'm going to get $1.51 overage for each one of those. So we're going to throw those into our cart, and we're going to add some other things onto our deal to get up to our spend threshold. The next deal that we're going to do is on the Degree. The Degree is on sale this week, 2 for $12. They're regularly, I think, $6.59. But this week they're on sale $2 for $12. I wish they were on sale for $2. I would buy every last one on the shelf. But they are 2 for $12. And when you spend $12, you get $4 back in bonus cash. So that's a really good deal right there because that would be getting 2 for $8. But if you go to the coupons.com website, there are Degree coupons that you can print, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com. And I know they're still on there because I just printed them today. So this is what they look like. There's one on there for men's and one on there for ladies. So that is another $3 off, plus your $4 of bonus cash. That's $7 off. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta has a $1.25 rebate for each one of these for the degree men and the degree women. So that's another $2.50 off. So when you add that all up together, $4 for the bonus cash, $3 for the coupons, that's $7, and $2.50 for the Ibotta rebates. That brings you to $9.50. So that means this is going to cost you $2.50 for 2 degree deodorants. Guys, if that's not a good deal, I don't know what is. And what's nice about the degree deal, it is a monthly deal, so you can do this deal 4 times. So the next deal we're going to do is on the Nivea body wash. And this is the women's, not the men's. This is the women's. The women's is on sale, 2 for $11, so they're $5.50 each. I'm hoping because I got a third one that they're only going to charge me $5.50 for that one. I'm not sure. But when you buy all 3, and if they are $5.50 each, then it'll come to $16.50. Make sure you get the 20 fluid ounce. Those are the ones on sale, not the smaller ones. When you spend $15, you're going to get $3 back in bonus cash. So I am actually buying 3 so that I can get to the $15 threshold. So that's $16.50. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. And Ibotta has a $2 rebate for each body wash. So that's going to give me $6 back and $3 back in bonus cash. So that's a total of $9 off the $16.50. So then that's like me paying $7.50 for 3 of those body washes. And guys, I think one of these body washes is regularly, I think, $8.99. So that's like buying one, not even paying full price for one and getting the other 2 free. That is an excellent deal, guys. And my last deal that I'm going to do to bring me up to the $55 so I can get an extra $11 off my total is on the Shea Moisture. Now, this isn't really a deal. It's just something I'm doing with coupons. I don't get any extra bucks back. They're not on sale. But I have a Shea Moisture bonus cash challenge. And I think it's spend $37 and get back $8. I think that's an excellent bonus challenge. I wish I had some deals with bonus cash to go with it, but this week I don't. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to buy a bunch of these Shea Moisture packets like a bunch of times because I have a great coupon to go with them. So these packets are $3.69 a piece. So if you round that up to $3.70, that means this is $7.40 for every 2, right? But I'm going to use this $5 off coupon that came in our, I guess it's the Super Save insert or whatever. That doesn't expire till May 14th. And you save $5 on any 2 Shea Moisture products, okay? So, and I know it says excludes 5-ounce sheet mask. Well, these aren't sheet mask, and these aren't one-time treatments, and I've been using them for this coupon on these things forever. So if you choose not to do that, that's totally up to you. You coupon the way you want to coupon, I'll coupon the way I want to coupon, and we'll all save in the end. So I'm going to use 2 of these. So if you just use 1 on 2, that means I'm going to pay $2.40 for every 2 packs. So that brings me up to a little, almost $55. I have to grab like a little caramel or whatever to get me to 55 because I'm at like 54.68. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we are going to get today. So that's the 3 body washes, the 2 deodorants, the 4 Shea Moisture hair masks, the box of Moderna, and the 2 Compeed. So I'm going to head up to the register I will show you my receipt when I'm finished, and we'll go over our receipt. We'll submit it to Ibotta, and then we'll let you know what our out-of-pocket is going to be. Okay, guys, so we're back from the store, and of course we had a hiccup. But it's okay, because the hiccup actually made my transaction even better. So I'll tell you what the hiccup is in a minute. So there you see I have the Shea Moisture Jam hair packets. So they're $3.49. That's the first hiccup. They rang up at $3.49, but the sign says $3.69. So of course, when I got to the register, I was short some cents for my $55 in order to get the $11 back. So I had to go grab something else. So there you see the $5 coupon came off of that. And then there's the second one that the coupon should have come off. So what they're doing is they're taking $5 off the first one and then nothing off of the second one. But it adds up in the end. So there you see I have a total of 4 of the Shea Moisture conditioner packets at $3.49 each. The 2 $5 coupons came off. The $5 coupon is spend, buy 2, get $5 off. There you see the Compeed for $2.49, and the $4 coupon came off of that. Then you see the CK Francis Original Caramel. So I had to grab a caramel to get to the $55 because of the Shea Moisture's ringing low. But I still had to grab, then I had to grab a Dial hand wash, because I still needed like $2.40 to get to my $55 because of the Shea Moistures, and something else had to go wrong too. So let's just keep going. Then there's my other Compeed for $2.49. The $4 coupon came off of that. There is my First Degree spray for $6. The $1.50 coupon came off of that. Then there's the Men's Degree for $6. The $1.50 coupon came off of that. There's my 4 Nivea body washes. So before we went to the register, I showed you that I had 3 Nivea body washes at $5.50 a piece. They all rang up at $5.50, thank goodness. But again, because I was short, I grabbed a 4th one. And the reason why I was so short this time is because when they rang up the bottle of Moderna, the coupon didn't come off. It said barcode didn't match. It was saying that it wasn't a Moderna product. But the box that I got was the same exact one that was on the front of the coupon. And then the register wouldn't let the cashier take the $5 off because the price was already reduced because it was on clearance. So it was just a whole mess. So I told them to delete the Moderna and I would go and get a body wash. So that's why you see 4 body washes on here. And I'm fine with that too, because I have a Nivea challenge, and I also I have a Nivea bonus challenge, and I planned on doing the Nivea deal twice anyway, so that gives me another body wash. So next time I only have to buy 2. So that brought me to my $55. You see the $11 coupon came off of that because I used that coupon, spend $55, get $11 off. So my total was $23.27 after all of my coupons. I used bonus cash to pay for that, but look, I got back $22 in bonus cash. And let me show you how that ended up happening. So I got back the $15 for the barcode. Okay, that's the circular barcode that I used. I got back, and that's showing the tracking for the body wash. So I have $7 towards my next 15. So there is the $4 I got for the Axe, Degree, and Dove. And then I got the $3 for the Nivea body wash. So 3, 4, and 15 add up to $22. So here you see I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got $8.50 back from Ibotta. I got back $6 for the body wash, 2 for 3 of them because the limit was 3. And then I got back $1.25 for each of the Degree deodorants. So when you add the $8.50 to the $22 that I got back in bonus cash, that comes to $30.50 total that I got back. Now subtract that from take the $23.27 that we paid from the $30.50. When you do the math, guys, that comes out to a $7.23 moneymaker. That is an amazing deal. Amazing, amazing. So, guys, make sure you check your clearance. Make sure that you get deals that have bonus cash with them. Make sure that you use your barcode so you can get that extra $15 back in bonus cash. Let me know below if you're doing any of these deals. And let me know if I could have done them better, because I would love to save even more, because I'm going to do this deal all over again on another card. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.